Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and if you're like me and you have a lot of shoes, you know it can be a challenge to find organizational systems to store them. So I want to share with you this 3-tier shoe rack from KEETDY that has helped me to do just that. So I like this organizational system for a few reasons. It's 3 tiers high, so you're utilizing space vertically and not taking up a bunch of floor space. Another thing is with the open shelf design, it doesn't limit you to what shoes you can put on there. So some organizational systems, if they're cubbies or containers, you're unable to fit those bigger, bulkier shoes. But with this system, you don't have that issue. So this will fit up to 24 pairs of shoes. Not only do you have the 3 tiers you can utilize, but there's a little space below the bottom tier, and you can tuck shoes underneath that as well. When this arrives, you'll need to assemble it, but it's really easy. The shelves actually snap together. The in brackets is the only place where you need to utilize screws. It took us under 10 minutes. So I have this in my closet. You can absolutely use it in an entryway or garage. Regardless of where you choose to place it, I'm sure it's going to help you keep your shoes organized just like it has me. And that's my point of view.